Hi, this is Elizabeth from WTI, and if you're tired of having guests at your house that ruin all of your nice towels with their makeup, then get this makeup remover washcloth. This washcloth remover is from Arkwright. It is a soft coral fleece microfiber, and it is 13 by 13 inches. The black color is really nice, that way it does not instantly ruin any of your makeup towels. It's super easy to wash and the makeup does come off, and the bonus part is that it's black. That way if there is any residue stains, you can't see it. I love that it says makeup on it. That way your guests know exactly what the purpose of it is and helps remind them, hey, please remove your makeup with this towel. Having a vacation rental, this is super helpful. Having a large box with 108 of these in there, that way I can stock them in every room, every bathroom. That way my normal towels can hopefully stay nice and clean. And since we've installed these in our vacation rental, the amount of makeup has been less on our towels, so we're super happy it's doing its job. These makeup towels are a must for any guest or for vacation rentals themselves, and they'll make your life easier when having to do the laundry later. That's my point of view.